farm and stuff.
Yeah, and stuff. I'm an expert. I got very used to being in.
Yeah, on the floating market.
And we're hella tilting.
We might crash into
Can you scoot over to the left?
You're sinking me. Maybe you should have sat on your own.
Dude, I'm so heavy, I'm tilting the boat. Man, I'm too heavy, I'm tilting the boat, man.
See, I told you to be smart. We just got a bag, probably obviously overpriced, but might as well while we're on the floating market. And we got a vegetable elephant for our nieces and nephews.
You like? You can have okay.
You should have just seen it.
You can have okay, no one.
How much for this?
Or the green one. You buy one, buy two. Thank you. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Spent a lot of money already. David, we just spent a lot of money. What if that's
That was his
one?
wife.
You sure? You just spent a lot of money.
Yeah, I know.
We already spent like maybe 60 bucks already.
How much photo? Yeah?
How much?
Many picture.
How much?
30 bucks.
Okay, you come on.
Try it, Lil.
I'm scared. Did they bite?
No, they don't. How was it?
It's ice cream.
Oh, it's ice cream? Is it too sweet? Or no?
It's not super coconut.
Yeah, even though everything is like overpriced like 2 to 3 times, it's like okay to spend a bit because like these people like have to like eat too, and it's just part of business.
So apparently we save money.
So for foreigners, it's 2,000 baht per hour, but we only paid about 400 for whatever reason because they thought it was Thai.
So I guess it helps to look like you're Thai and you don't talk as much, I guess.
Not farmed. Usually there's farm prawns like from the farm.
So these are natural.
Yeah, straight from the river. He said people come here to fish. The 2 times the size of another.
Okay, so previous video, I was incorrect. This is crab omelet. They put like big chunks of crab meat in there. We're at 2 medium prawns, which is like just enough because we got a big one before and we couldn't barely finish it. So it's about as big as our hand. So that's the medium size. And then we got the red curry, and we asked for extra spicy so you can see all the peppers. And we asked for egg crab as the meat base.
the Maeklong something train station, train market. Lil ate a lot, and now she has food coma. So she needs a bit of rest. Maybe some coconut. Coconut's only 20 baht, so that's like less than 50 cents. Lou had to go to the bathroom because she had to pee. And it cost about 10 baht.
The other place I went to was 5.
Any place that you go for bathroom, it costs 10 baht.
No, but if you're in the rural area.
Which is 27 cents.
Or like out in public. If you go to a restaurant, obviously there's bathrooms.
So the train comes through here at 2:30. So this is the track right here behind me. And so when it comes, you have to run for it. And all the shops are right on the path of the train, so they have to move up their shop so the train doesn't hit it.
You have to make sure we're at a really like open area. Is this smashed to these bars?
No, because they move all the bars up. All these tents behind me, they have to like, they have to move their bars up and put up their tent.
So hot. She finally turned on the fan. He's so sweaty. Can you see that? Stop tracking me!
I'll drip and lift. All water.
Now you can see the sweat on his face. We just got some little orange juice. They're 40 baht for 2.
So slow.
It's kind of big though.
Baby, inside.
It's so short.
Trên bread. Yeah, maybe that's all.
People there. Totally make a run for it.
We are at Amphawa Market. I think it's for the locals.
Maybe. Looks like more small.
Some money, some money. Just got dropped off at the temple. It's on a boat, but he left. He said to come back in like 40 minutes. So we'll be back in 40 minutes. Check out this temple. We are recording. Feed them.
David,
Animals.
the horse is angry.
He wants food.
Go for the food. Here, record. So we got back to the hotel a couple hours ago and we were pretty tired. It was really hot today, so we decided to just order in some food. We have some stir-fried noodles here, and what is this? It's like some kind of curry chicken dish, and then we have chicken laab, and then a salted, I think it's like salted, some type of fish dip that you eat these veggies with. Yeah, that's what we're having tonight, just because we're so tired and we don't really want to walk anywhere. And yeah, that'll conclude the end of day, I think we're on day 9, I think. I'll check back in the videos.